Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use a sketch bend feature in Solidworks. As you can see, we can create a bend at any degree in a sheet metal part. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I'm using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. So first of all, we have to create a sheet metal plate. So for this, I will select front plane, sketch, and here I will create a rectangle of dimension 300 by 150. So this dimension is 300 and this dimension, that is this vertical dimension, is 150. Now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. I will go to here, sheet metal. I will select this command, base flange, and I will give it a thickness of 3 millimeters. You can see K factor is 0.5 and I will select OK. Now I will give this plate a texture or a different color to make it more vibrant. So let's change this color to maybe this one and select OK. Now we will use this command, sketch bend. I will select this command and it requires a line. Basically it requires a bending line. So first of all, I will select this face and then I will create a line like this. Let's dimension it. Let's say this length is 130 and I will select exit. Now it is asking which face to fix and which face to bend. So I will fix this side of the plate and I will bend this side from this center line or from this bending line. So I will select this side as fixed and now you can see the preview. Here it is giving you some options like bending from center line, bending from inside. You can see here, you can see the preview, bending from outside, and this is the totally bend outside from this bending line. Okay, so I will select this one, bend from center line. And you can change the angle as well. So let's change it to 45. And also I will change my default radius. The normal practice which we used to do in our industry is thickness times 1.5. So sheet thickness was 3 and I will multiply it by 1.5. So it is 4.5. So I will change it to 4.5 and I will select OK. Now you can see the bending. Now we will do another bending. So select sketch bend. I will select this face. It always requires a bending line. So we have to sketch a line. I will make one line like this. And let's dimension it. This one is 50. Okay, sketch is fully defined. And I will exit this sketch. Here it is asking again fixed side, so this side is fixed. You can see the preview and let's change it to 45 again, but this time reverse. Okay, I will change the default radius to 4.5 and you can change these parameters accordingly if you want, but I will keep it from center line. Okay, and I will select OK. Now you can see the bending and you can also make one bending from here as well. So that's how you can use this sketch bend feature in sheet metal parts. It is a very simple exercise and physically you can do it using press brakes available in sheet metal industries. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.